All right, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a website with Perplexity Computer. This is a full tutorial. Let's go. All right, so you're going to be in your Perplexity Pro account. I'm on the $20 a month plan, and I got to be completely honest, I've been using this a lot lately, and I burned through my credits very quickly within a few days. So you will have the option to add more credits, top it off kind of in an a la carte type way. But if you're going to really use the heck out of this, you're probably going to want to jump on the max version. And I believe that is at the $167 a month, or if you pay annual, or if you pay monthly, I think it's $200 per month. So just so you know, you will burn through your credits if you're using Perplexity Computer quite a bit. Now I want to show you, I already built this, so we don't have to build this together. I can actually come over here and just click on computer, and you can see all these different tasks. I've got automated tasks, I've got scheduled tasks that are working as well. But I'm gonna go over here and we're gonna look at the premium electrician website right here that I used to build this really nice looking website, and we will come and take a look. Actually, let's just take a look at it right now. So I'm gonna go like this right here, and you can see that this is full-blown website right here. These actually take you to specific pages on the website that was actually built. Every single one of these, you click on it, the entire website is built right here. This is what the reviews would look like. I mean, this is a website that literally looks like it costs like freaking $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 to create. And we were able to create this entire website with the footer, header, hero, everything, right? So we can come back over here to home and take a look at what this looks like. Electrical work done, right, from your home. Mile High Home Electric serves Denver homeowners with honest pricing, clean workmanship, and fast scheduling. We specialize exclusively in residential electric repairs, upgrades, and installation. So they do not do commercial. And you can see 12 years in the business, all that kind of stuff, right? So you can actually go and build these local business websites if you needed to or wanted to do that as a service. And then what you could also do is you could use this from a marketing standpoint and build lead magnets and squeeze pages to capture people's emails. You can do all kinds of stuff. Now, there's a lot of different things that you can do, but you could come over here and you can actually download this as a zip, download the HTML, and then you can go over to a couple different sites that come to mind, and you can actually host this for free on Netlify or Vercel. You go over to those Vercel or Netlify, sign up for a free account, and you can actually host a website for free on lightning fast web servers if you wanted to do that as well. So this beautiful looking website right over here, and I'll show you exactly how we built this site right over here. This nice FAQ, very interactive, all kinds of good stuff right there. And this really nice looking footer page that you go and expect when you go to a local business website right over here. So really good stuff. But how did we actually do this? Well, I'll come up all the way to the top and show you the actual prompt that I used. And you can see build a premium modern conversion focused local services website that looks like a custom agency project worth over $1 million. I just like to use that in my prompt. You be the judge if you think this is a $1 million website, but certainly this, if you would have used WordPress and hosting and all the complex things and then try to find the right theme and then fill all this stuff out, literally Perplexity researched the market, researched everything, and built this website in about like 10, 15 minutes max using Perplexity's computer. So you can see all the stuff. Now I told it Mile High Home Electric. I gave it the phone number. You've got the free quote right over here. You've got the phone number, the contact, FAQ, review, service areas right there as well. And you can see we have our address right there, all this stuff right over here, the core services that we clean. And now obviously you'd go through that, and then if there's anything that you don't do or the company doesn't do, you would just take those off, right? But we've got a nice looking website right over here, the brand direction. So these are things that you're going to actually, if you're going to do this for a living, you're going to have a questionnaire that you're going to go, and you can use Google Forms. And when you sell a website to a client, you have them fill out the form. They fill out the brand direction. They fill out the colors and all that. They fill all this stuff out. So then you can just plug in that into your unique prompt, right? And then it'll go out there. So here's that long prompt, really, really nice. So I actually used ChatGPT to make this advanced prompt, or I told it what I wanted, and then it came up with a really good sequence of events and prompt that that I then copied and pasted into Perplexity Computer. And you can see it loaded that the website building, running tasks in parallel, created task list for the website. Now let me in the scaffold, the full project structure. And it went through a series of events and it just continued to go through there. Now I'll create a shared PHP style, including a pattern using a reusable HTML header footer template, then build an inner page efficiency. So it came through over here, and then it, I'm just showing you all the pages. It's like 17 pages that it built, all the technical and SEO deliverables right over here. It did a ton of stuff. And then finally we had our website right over here. Again, you can download the zip file will have the HTML, the index file, all that kind of stuff, right? And then it has some follow-ups if you want to click on those and continue developing it, right? But you can develop and build an entire website using Perplexity, and you could actually steer it and tell it what model you want to use. You could tell it to use Gemini, or you could tell it to use Claude Code. You could tell it to use ChatGPT or anything, whatever your favorite LLM is. But I just wanted to, create and do what it wanted to do, because it's going to first and foremost try to use the best, most capable model for whatever task you're asking it to do with Computer. So Computer is just kind of like an all-knowing, like it's like an agent, right? It can build workflows, automated workflows, scheduled tasks, cron jobs. It can build and code websites like you can see right here. But that's it. That's literally the steps. We just paste it in our prompt into Computer. So you just click over here on Computer, and then you'd go right into here, and then you would just paste that prompt and you would say go, and that's it. And then it's going to go, and then you're going to come back in 10-15 minutes. Your website's going to be built. So that's exactly how you build a website, a really, really nice professional website, very advanced with multiple. That one was 17 pages, multicolor formatted, all the good stuff. That's how you build a website with Perplexity Computer. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.